Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Muhammad Iqbal Muhammad Zain with card metric of 2018-2647F54. Good morning and good evening to my supervisor, Sir Muhammad Nabil bin Zulhimi, to my lecturer, Dr. Azlan bin Abdul Aziz, and to my examiner, Dr. Nurul. Today I would like to present my project, which is climate change awareness via video games. First of all, let's talk about the background of study. The main focus of the game is to focus on the climate change. In 2016, humans were shocked by the news of climate change. This phenomenon happened because the burn of fossil fuel. This can increase the planet temperature and raise the sea level. The aim of the project is to raise awareness towards climate change. In addition, this project also aims to provide a new method to increase motivation among people to mitigate climate change by using video game platform. In the era of vast technology and information, the lack of technological approach is spreading awareness need to be taken for consideration. Let's start with the problem statement. The first problem statement that I gain is the lack of 3D game focusing on mitigating climate change. There is still some game that focus on climate change, but most of them are done in 2D game and rarely to gain enough attention from users. So in my case, I would like to do the 3D game in terms of to gain interactivity for user. And the second one is the lack of information given on how to mitigate climate change. There is several methods that have been used to make people realize the importance to mitigate climate change, but most of them only focus on long term. None of them focus on the process of it. So in my game and my project, I would like to focus on this subject. Next, the project scope of this project is the target user of this project are youngsters who are interested in game. Basically, when we talk about game, most of our target user are from teenagers. Indirectly, they can gain information towards climate change, and they are the new generation that can help change the future. To change the future, we need to change our youngsters. The second one, this game is developed in 3D world environment. The game is built with interest components such as graphic, video, text, audio. The purpose of this 3D world environment is to make user gain more relatable and familiar with the surrounding. The third one, this game is a single player first person video game and it is computer platform in the English language. The genre of is simulation game. In this game, the players start with the role of normal citizen in their home in peaceful environment. The purpose of the game is to make user feel like they are at home, to encourage them from their family surrounding. That's why we are focusing on the home and the peaceful environment. Next, significance of studies. This project will raise awareness among users in a form of game. This project also will give new approach for using video game as medium to raise awareness. So far, there is several methods that have been used to raise awareness, but the use of game to raise awareness very significant. So very low in significant. So with this project, I hope we can increase the use of game to raise awareness. And the last one, the user will eventually know the climate change mitigation steps and methods, the negative impact to human race while completing the video game. In our project and in our game, we will focusing on to teach and to give information on the user on how to mitigate climate change individually. Next, literature review. For the literature review, I already separated in 6 parts. The first one is climate change. The second, computer application. Third, game revolution. Fourth, game genre. Fifth, review between current game-based climate change awareness. And the last one, review design and develop methodology. For the first one, climate change. I already do the research for climate change history, the climate change in Malaysia, people awareness towards climate change, current technology method to increase awareness, which is artificial intelligence and smartphone. So far, during my research, I gained that the climate change in Malaysia very low. The accepting people on towards climate change very low, and they need some encouragement to make them realize the importance of mitigating climate change. The second one is computer application. As said by Gilak Jani on 2014, it became the source of how we get our news and where we get it, how we order product and service, how we interact with others. Mainly, the thing that Gilak Jani want to say is the computer application is become one of our source daily life. We use it every day and for many purpose. So using the computer application to do the project and to interact with user may be the advantage to increase awareness. Next, game revolution. I have the research for the use of the game for public awareness, the benefit of game awareness, and some of the game element, which is game goal, challenge, and reward. For the use of public awareness and benefit of game-based awareness, I gain many information from experts, and this make it easier for me to do the research. And for the game genre I targeting for this project is role-playing game, adventure game, simulation game, puzzle game, and strategy. But after a while, all I can say is this game is focusing on simulation game, so we can make the user feel they can simulate with their surrounding. And next, the review between current game-based climate change awareness. So far, there is total of 6 games I have found, but only 2 that can be relatable to my cases. The first one is the climate challenge and the fate of the world, and my game with the name of climate war. But so far, the vast differences between my game and the other 2 games is the other 2 games is focusing on the bigger scope, such as a president and as a ruler. So for my game, I focus it on as an individual. Next, review design and development methodology. There is 3 type of methodology I have choose: waterfall model, agile model, and game development lifecycle. After considering these 3 methods, I have choose the game development lifecycle as my methodology. So for now, I want to go further detail in the game-based awareness. For the first, the use of game-based for public awareness. The rest awareness games and the rest awareness games are promising tools. They inspire and increase the interest of player is specific topic and require only small investment of time, as said by Dijans, Vedit, and et al. It is proven and is agreeable from the expert that games can raise awareness. And on the advantage, it also gives small investment of time. And for the benefit of game-based awareness, games are beneficial in motivating and enhancing an interest towards a subject. In addition, it only requires short amount of time. And from the chance and from the money, they can educate a large number of individuals in short span of time. So with the game-based awareness, we can expect to gain a high number of gain to increase the awareness in the high scope in a short of time. For the methodology, this is the game development life cycle. Start with initiation, production, pre-production, production, testing, and production cycle, and then we can go to beta and release. So far we have done all the method. This is the game-based learning design model. This is the game-based learning design model for climate war. For the game goal is climate change awareness. We want to raise awareness among users. The challenge for this game is to completing the task. In completing the task, there is a narrative, which is there is a time limit. The sensation for this game is 3D animation. Next, for the game fantasy, we will choose the environment of 20th century lifestyle. For the game mechanism, we choose simulating game. For interaction, simulating character control. And for the freedom, the user can move freely within the game map. And the mystery is the storyline we provide. And lastly, the game value is the game completion. And I will also want to add the score. So let's talk about finding after we have done all our research. As you can see, this is our question on our evaluation. For your information, the evaluation we use is user acceptance questionnaire. There consists of 9 questions, from is game easy to play until the overall you're satisfied with the game. I will also provide this table in the report. Pardon, for the on the below, there is a total score percentage, which is 78%. So far, after I've done the questionnaire, it is suggested that the minimum participant for this questionnaire is 8 people. So far, I already gained 10 people to do my questionnaire, and after done the research and gain the mean, I have found that the total acceptance from the user is 78%. So that is very more than average that we seek. So in conclusion, Climate War game created with a game-based awareness concept that is adapted from the game-based learning self-education tool to raise awareness about climate change. Via the evaluation, the game is proven to be accepted by users and will be beneficial to increase awareness about climate change. Regarding the game limitation, they could be improved and upgraded to provide a more efficient platform to users to get entertainment and education simultaneously. So far, I have done. The result is very convincing. With the majority of the results said that this game can be acceptable, but so far as a limitation, some of the user think that this game can go further. But from our result, we convinced and it is proven that game can increase awareness about climate change. Okay, now let's go to our game. Okay, on the first part, we have the main menu. The main menu consists of start, control, and exit. For the control, we will give a visual guide to our user on how to play the game. For this part, the interface will tell the user to click on the object to close it. Then we can exit this control and we can start the game. So this is the introduction. user can click the skip button. For the intro, we aim to give the user a sentimental value to play this game. Let's go to the first level. This is the first level. For what we can see, we have the score on the top right, the time taken for the top, and for the left side we have the objective. Our objective for this game is to save the water in 16 seconds. First, we close this. Second. And the third. And this will bring to our another video. Now we can start with the new objective, with the new situation. For now, we will get a new objective, which is save the energy. So for now, the main purpose of this level is to teach the user to save electricity. First, we need to find the laptop, and the click, we can close the laptop. With the score will increase. That's all for the game. And for additional information, when the timer is done, and the game will eventually show the game over page, which is directed into my the same as my storyboard, and the user will choose to continue or exit. If the user choose to continue the game, it will bring to the first level. If they choose to exit, they will go to the main menu here. So that's all for me. Thank you.